Hello everyone. Welcome to English Boost Motivation. Today's lesson is English for school and college students. This video is especially made for school students, college students, beginners in spoken English. In this 40-minute lesson, you will learn classroom English words, daily student conversations, speaking practice, useful sentences for exams, teachers, friends. Let's begin. Exercise 1. Classroom vocabulary. Let's start with common classroom words. Important words. Teacher. Example, our teacher is very kind. Student. Example, I am a student. Classroom. Example, the classroom is clean. Homework. Example, I have homework today. Exam. Example, my exam is next week. Notebook. Example, I write in my notebook. Lesson. Example, today's lesson is easy. Question. Example, I have a question. Answer. Example, the answer is correct. Practice. Example, practice makes you better. Practice repeat. I am a student. I study every day. I do my homework. I have an exam soon.
Part 2. Useful classroom sentences. Now, let's learn useful sentences students use in class. Speaking to teacher. Good morning, teacher. May I come in, please? Can you explain again? I don't understand. Please repeat, teacher. May I ask a question? Thank you, teacher. Example conversation. Student, good morning, teacher. Teacher, good morning. Student, may I ask a question? Teacher, yes, please. Practice. May I come in? Can you explain again? I don't understand. Part 3. English conversation with friends. Students talk with friends every day. Common friend sentences. Hi, how are you? What class do you have today? Let's study together. Do you have the notes? What is the homework? Are you ready for the exam? Good luck. Dialogue practice. A. Hi, how are you? B. I'm fine. What about you? A. I'm good. Are you ready for the test? B. Not yet. Let's study together. Part 4. English for college life. College students need English for presentations and communication. Useful college sentences. I have a class at 10 a.m. I need to submit my assignment. I have a group project. I will give a presentation tomorrow. I want to improve my English speaking. Presentation lines. Good morning, everyone. Today I will talk about. Thank you for listening. Part 5. Exam and study English. Now, exam time English. Study sentences. I am preparing for my exam. I study every night. This subject is difficult. I need more practice. I want good marks. Asking for help. Can you help me with this lesson? Please share your notes. Let's revise together. Part 6. Motivation for students. Dear students, English is very important for your future. If you practice daily, you will speak confidently. You will do better in exams. You will succeed in life. Remember, small steps every day create big success. Thank you for watching English Boost Motivation. See you in the next lesson.